Greetings, I'm Ryan from iThemeLand, specializing in WordPress and WooCommerce.
This tutorial is about how the WooCommerce bulk variations editing plugin makes attaching variations to the products into a very simple task for store managers. For example, attaching the color red to the products with the blue variation. If we wanted to add red as a new variation to the products with blue in their variations, this would be the way to do it. The first step is to open the filter form by clicking on the filter icon on the toolbar, and then in the filter form, open the Categories, Tags, Taxonomies tab to filter the products with blue variation by selecting blue from the drop-down list in front of the product color field. Now, if you click on Get Products, you can see all the products with blue variations in the table. The attach variation is available just for a single product, so if you mark multiple products in the table, the attaching tab will become unavailable in the variations bulk edit form. Therefore, select one product from the table and click on the Manage Variations option on the toolbar. After selecting the Manage Variations option, you can access the Attaching tab. So go ahead and open the Select Attribute field and select your color. Select red to attach your product from the list. There is another option to add a new attribute if needed. For example, what if you wanted to attach black, which is not in the color terms? You can easily click on the new button and type black in the text box of the pop-up screen and click on the Add button. As you can see, the black has been added to the list. So again, we select red from the list, after which the plugin displays all possible variations for that. Now, check one or more variations to attach to the product. For example, I'm gonna choose the first one, large as size and red as color, and then click on the Attach button. As you can see, red has been added as the product variation, and a specific ID is assigned to each variation created with red.